So let's talk a little ADA price and what's going on here, where we might be headed sometime in the near term. We obviously talked about the fact that ADA is getting ready for this pop along with the crypto market. I made a great video about this yesterday, that we're probably about 30 to 45 days out, historically speaking, from where the market decides to take off. And right now, ADA actually had a great reversal here. We had printed a nice doji candle yesterday, and we have flipped around. We're testing our 20-day moving average, the exact move, kind of like we talked about. We're still staying within this opportunity box, and this is kind of a great load up spot for ADA. And frankly, right now, you guys can see a sea of green across the market. A little bit of a rebound. Market sold off a little bit yesterday. And frankly, what we kind of dealt with that's really pushing us that direction is institutional money. It's been a weird couple of days for institutional money. Yesterday and the day before, in terms of spot Bitcoin ETFs, massive outflow days. And you might think, oh, freaking grayscale. Why do they keep doing this to us? And actually, it was ARC21. ARC21 sold about $60 million worth of BTC yesterday. And I believe the day before they actually sold about over $100 million worth. So they've been on the hot dump right now. So we've been taking it in the shorts a little bit by someone who normally does not dump on the market. But we had outflows from Fidelity, VanEck, even the Grayscale Mini BTC Trust did some selling. So it just wasn't a good day overall. And now we've seen, of course, spot Ethereum ETFs flip to the green side. That's kind of cool. It's just been a sea of chop right now as we're waiting for this PC report tomorrow. All right. I think tomorrow's probably going to be a very big day for the market, one way or the other, whether it's a good day or whether it's a bad day. Now, the interesting thing is we're kind of setting up for one of those possibly good weekends. This week has been just frankly crap. And so now what tends to happen is if you have a crap week and there's not much going on and there's big opportunities going into the weekend, we tend to have a little bit of big buying going on. Okay. So right now, BTC is again trying to load up. We're back above our 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average here is crucial support. And really what we're trying to do is get back above that 20-week moving average. Again, that point sits at right about 61.5. BTC over the next couple of days has a shot to do this. And if this does try to happen, if BTC tries to make this move back above here, it wouldn't surprise me if ADA, along with most of the market, is getting drugged back up, right? We're trying to, again, confirm this higher low. I had somebody talk about, oh yeah, we're setting, lower highs, lower lows. And yeah, you know what? If you zoom out, the overall structure looks that way. However, we're in the midst of a reversal right now. The overall crypto market is trying to climb back. We got to this point where basically we were waiting for the demand to meet the supply. Okay. That's what we've been waiting for as the market. We came through March into March a little bit hot. Everything got a little bit higher than it should have. And then we dealt with black swan events. We dealt with sentiment drops across the market, and it just drug us down and down and down. And finally, we hit this point in terms of ADA and a lot of other coins in the space where the demand is there. People realize that, guys, this is cheap ADA. Right now, 36 cents. It's cheap ADA. It is what it is, right? This isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice, but people who've been here for a while, people who pay attention to my channel or know what's going on behind the scenes, you understand how big the movement is. And because of that, we've seen buying. We know the Chang hard fork is right there. I saw somebody else talking about, oh yeah, prepare for a 30% drop because ADA's dropped during prior hard forks. I don't think that's a proper gauge right now either. We had a sell-off when we first launched smart contracts back in late 2021, right about the top of the market cycle. Go figure, big sell the news event. But then when we look at what happened with the Vassal hard fork, we were in the depths of the bear market. So it's not a great gauge either. Right now, because of this drop that we've dealt with in terms of the ADA, because we've dealt with some sell-offs here, a lot of speculators, like I was saying, have left. So we're kind of loading up for the Chang hard fork possibly being a launch event. Remember, this is happening in just a couple days here, okay? And ADA price isn't really reflecting this right now, all right? So what I'm watching for is, again, ADA to try to do one of those bounce back moves back to its 50-day moving average, kind of around that 37.5 cent range. I'm watching for BTC to really breach 61K and get us close. All we need is a little bit of a shot here before ADA tries to set a little bit higher high. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.